Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Nice to have you back here, you guys. So today I'm cooking palm nut cream soup or palm nut soup. Palm nut soup, you guys. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning the fish. Uh one of the fish that I'm going to use, you guys. I'm going to use this catfish on this palm nut soup. Yeah. So I'm just cleaning it, you guys. So yeah, I said let me show you guys how I make this soup. It was so delicious. Yep, you guys. So yeah, I'm cleaning this catfish that I bought. But the thing is that when you go to store to buy the catfish, they usually put it in the freezer. The fish look more bigger than it looks after it. You will find out that the fish is very small, and you guys, you know that the price of catfish is how big it is and how many kg it weighs. That is how the price is. There is the one that you will buy for €10. There are the one that you buy for €7. Just like that. But when I bought this fish, this catfish was €7 something, but it looked bigger than the way it is now. Look at how tiny, how skinny. Look at how skinny the catfish look after it had the froze, right? So I was thinking, is it the ice block that is in it because it was in freezer that make it look more bigger? Because when you weigh it, they just put the price, both the ice block and everything together. Oh my goodness! I was just thinking, right? I was like, when I bought this fish was bigger. Is it because it has defrost now? That is why it look so skinny. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to also use mackerel fish. What is palm nut soup without mackerel fish and catfish? There is this flavor and taste that these fishes give to your palm nut soup. Okay. So I'm also going to clean it. So you guys know that I love to clean my fish very well. Remove every blood in it, every those stuff inside. I love to remove it and clean it very well, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right here. I said let me show you guys how I did it. So you guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. You guys know that I post a lot of video on this channel. There's no video I don't post here. Please join the family. Let's be friends. Subscribe, okay guys. Please do not forget to like my video. Drop your comment. Whatsoever you think about my video, please drop it on the comment section below and I will gladly reply you guys. And guys, I'm sorry if I'm making any mistake on this voiceover. Voiceover is not easy. Sometimes you made a lot of mistake. You make it, then you delete it, you remake the voiceover again. So yeah, that is how it is. So you guys, yeah, thank you all for being here. So after cutting those fish, after slicing it and cleaning them, I just want to wash these things that I use, the knife, the bowl, so that you guys know that smell of fish is not funny. So it is very important that after cleaning your fish, it is very important for you to clean the place where you use, the things you use for it, for the smell to go away. That's what I'm doing right there. So you guys, after that, I'm going to bring in the dry fish. As you guys can see, I'm using the head of stock fish. I know you guys are familiar with my cooking videos that I always use a head of stock fish and other dry fish, right? So yeah. So most of my cooking videos, the soups that I post here, I always use head of stock fish, even if I have to add other dry fish, but I usually use that also. So here is the palm nut cream. So I'm going to clean it, the can before I will open it. You guys know that we don't know where they package it from, so it is very important for you to wash it clean first before you open it. Okay, that is what I'm doing right here. So I'm going to add that palm nut cream into this bowl, to this glass bowl, right? So after doing that, I will add hot water to it. My reason of doing this is to remove any dirt that may be in this palm nut cream. So it's for me to use the water to dissolve it. So any dirt that is in it, it will settle down at the bottom, okay? So because after adding this hot water to this palm nut cream, I will set it aside for some minutes for it to settle down. So whatsoever dirt that is in it, everything will settle at the bottom of the bowl. Okay, that is the main reason of me adding a very hot water, boiling water. Okay, into this bowl right here, so you guys can see. Yep, you guys, I will do this and set it outside. Set it outside, you guys. Yeah, I'll make sure that I turn it to dissolve everything. Okay. Hmm. This is what I'm doing here, you guys. So, guys, please do not forget to like, share, comment, all those good stuff. If there's any video that you want me to also make for you, maybe any recipe that you want me to post, also leave it on the comment section below, and I will gladly do that for you. Okay. Yeah, guys. So this was after some minutes of putting hot water into the palm nut cream, and I set it aside. So as you guys can see the bottom of the bowl, there are a lot of dirty that is in the bottom. Okay, so here's other dry fish that I'm going to use that I just add into it. So you guys, what I did is that I boiled the fish with other pot entirely. I cooked the fish with other pot entirely before I added it to the pot of the soup, into the pot of soup that I'm cooking. Okay, so this video is a very short video, you guys. I just said let me show you how I made my pan nut cream. The thing is that before I finished this video, my camera went off. Okay, my camera went off. That is why I did not finish most part of this video. But I believe that you guys will understand how I prepare this palm nut cream. Okay, the difference is that for you to leave it for a long time, for it to get a little thicker the way you want it to be. So everything's already added, all the ingredients, the crayfish, the blended crayfish, the pepper, everything's already inside. As you guys can see, I just add the last blended crayfish. Everything's already inside. All I need to do now is for me to let it cook and get a little more thicker than the way it is. Yeah, you guys, that is how I prepare my palm nut cream soup. And I want to let you know that for you to know that your palm nut cream is ready, you will see all the oil in it, all the oil in your palm nut, so everything will just come up. So that is how you will know that your palm nut cream is ready. Okay, well, you see that the oil in it are coming up. So that is how you will know that your palm nut cream is ready. Yep, you guys, thank you all for watching. God bless you. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.